Morsø UPM frame assembling machine. The Morsø UPM frame assembling machine is supplied with refillable solid steel cartridges, which are easily loaded to the machine. The Morsø UPM frame assembling machine is a manually operated bench model requiring no electricity and no compressed air. It is manually operated through a hydraulic foot pedal. When activating the pedal, the wedges are automatically inserted into the frame. Stacking of 2 nails on top of each other is possible. Wedge position is determined manually, but 2 adjustable stops are fitted to the machine. The Morsø UPM frame assembling machine is supplied ready to work with 7 and 10 mm refillable cartridge, 1 box of 7 and 10 mm wedges, as well as 3 different pressure pads. No extras are needed to start production. For any further questions or information, please feel free to contact your Danlist distributor or the factory directly.